Hey guys, this is Sarah from ChainEX. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Has this ever happened to you where you accidentally enter your sign-in credentials incorrectly 3 times, or you have entered your 2FA code incorrectly 3 times and your ChainEX account was blocked? Well, then this video is going to be very helpful for you. In this video, we'll be showing you step by step how to unblock your account on ChainEX. When you accidentally block your account, ChainEX will send you an account blocked email to the email address associated with your ChainEX account. In the email, you'll see Unblock Account. Click on Unblock Account. Once you've clicked Unblock Account, your account will be unblocked. You can then just click on the Sign In button to sign into your account. Please make sure your sign-in credentials are correct this time. Please note that if for some reason you accidentally delete the account blocked email or you just did not receive the email, there is indeed another way to unblock your account. You will need to navigate to the sign-in page. On the sign-in page, click on Forgot Password over here. On the Forgot Password page, enter your ChainEX email address. ChainEX will then send you a forgot password email. In the email, click on Change Password and you'll be directed to the Reset Password page. Enter your new password in the Password and Confirm Password fields. Then click Reset Password. Once you have successfully reset your password, log into your account using your email address and your new password, and you will notice that your account has been unblocked.
Awesome! Yes! I am back! Woo!
And there you go. How to unblock your account on ChainEX. Pretty easy, right? Before you go, you're probably enjoying your ChainEX experience, right? So much so that you can't help but tell your friends about it? Did you know you can get paid just for telling your friends about ChainEX? If you head over to the referrals page over here, you can find your unique personal referral link. If your friends sign up to ChainEX using your link, you'll get paid a percentage of the trading fees every single time they make a trade. It's a win-win situation for everyone. Thanks guys for watching our tutorial video. If you liked this tutorial video, smash the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and please feel free to comment below. See you guys in the next one. Bye!